Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Savage life, nigga. Killer Flow Savage in the building. G Street, Winston Worldwide. I'm a beast, man, I'm untamed. I whip these motherfuckers like my name Pootie Tang. Smack that bitch like Rick James. Who moved the cane? Bitch, you know I do the thing. Boy, I can prove the thing. I'm from Winston-Salem. That's the super trade. Y'all niggas lame, you fags, you click is super gay. I got a renegade type of move. That nigga super cool. Got these bitches running like they Scooby-Doo. I'm a giant, not a fan, but I step on dudes. If a nigga play me close, then the fofo clap at dudes. I'm a riot. Tell your clique be quiet, they'll silence. I'm a G and I bring riots. Right, bitch? Go harder than the average motherfucker. I'm a beast. I stomp you out like a mud puddle. I'm a gangster. Know that. No fucking fiction in that Winston. I show fact. And my rhymes is so crack, so dope. This beat I do troke, and there's no hope to y'all lame niggas that claim you hard. I don't need nobody guard. I eat all day. How the fuck do I starve? Mr. Martin in this bitch, I guess I gotta march like a fucking Spartan. I am so retarded, and when I get on the mic, girls listen to it, wanna ride me like a fucking Harley. You niggas are so retarded. You get money hardly. I mean hardly. And I go the hardest, and I am so high. They should call me Martian. This beat is fucking dead. Dearly departed. I'm a beast, nigga, and you don't wanna try it. You know your boy vibing so much green, looks like I'm a hybrid. Ooh, I smash mode, and they know flows a quick rap and a quick snap, and at the same time I'm an asshole, and I get dough, that's cash flow. Pesos to you niggas with no dough, you comprende? Ha!